Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a lollipop box. Start by gathering cardstock, a ruler, pencil, scissors, glue, and decorative paper. Measure lollipop diameter and spacing, then design a template with a lid and base. Score fold lines for crisp edges and cut carefully along outlines. Reinforce corners with glue tabs and add inserts for individual lollipops. Finish with decorations and allow glue to dry fully before use. Use a ruler and bone folder to score all fold lines for precise creases and clean edges. Cut slowly using a craft knife along a metal ruler to avoid tearing the cardstock. Label pieces as base, lid, and inserts to prevent mix-ups during assembly. Test fit tabs before applying glue and make small adjustments if needed. This careful prep saves time and yields a professional-looking lollipop box you can gift confidently. Start assembly by folding all scored lines and dry-fitting parts together to ensure alignment. Apply a thin bead of glue to tabs, align edges precisely, and press until set, holding each corner for about 20 to 30 seconds. Insert internal dividers for secure lollipop placement and allow glue to cure fully. Finally, add decorative paper or stickers after assembly to avoid glue marks and to give your box a polished, gift-ready appearance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.